Good morning to my dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We are starting the series with computers. So let's have a look. First question is dash option lets you peek into your desktop if you have lots of windows open. Arrow peek, auto hide or system tray. देखिए option is arrow peek. Arrow peek is one such option that lets you look inside your desktop, into your desktop. So many at the same time if you have so many windows opened. So this is the feature, arrow peak. Second is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of desktop like this much. It is called menu bar, taskbar or icons. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of desktop is called taskbar. Okay. You know icons are pictures, small pictures like folders on the screen. Dash is used to cancel a command given earlier. What is this? Undo, redo or exit? Undo. Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Next is the way in which text is placed on a page it is called alignment. It is not the source and neither the formatting. Secondary storage is also called, it is called a backup storage. Okay. Next is numbers and bullets make list more attractive. Yes, true. Okay, font is the look and shape of the letters of the text. This is also true. Word 2013 is the version released on 29th January 2013. Very important. जो Microsoft Word 2013 था ये version release हुआ था 29 January 2013 को. This is also true. Windows 7 is an operating system. It does not provide graphical user interface. मैंने आपको बताया था it provides graphical user interface. इसीलिए ये false है. ठीक है, it provides. Next is system tray displays the current date and time. This is true. Next is dash holds the instruction given by manufacturer to operate a computer. Answer is read only memory. Dash is a group of bit. Answer is byte. You know 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Press dash to open spelling and grammar dialog box. The answer is F7. Spelling and grammar command is present in proofing group. It is present in proofing group. Dash converts all the selected characters to lowercase. Answer is lowercase. Okay. Now next is dash is the largest collection of information on internet. It is related to internet. The answer is www, World Wide Web. Computers are connected with each other using telephone. Neither friends nor sorry computers are connected with each other with cables. They are neither connected with telephone nor with friends. They are connected with cables. In a slide, boxes with dotted borders are called placeholders. What it is called as? It is called as placeholders. Okay. Now dash are vertical and horizontal guides. Slide, rulers or status bar. The answer is ruler. Rulers are vertical and horizontal guides. A folder within a folder, this I have already told you, it is a subfolder, a file or hard disk. Okay. Now next is you can copy files or folders in different location. Is it all right? Yes. Uh, this is absolutely correct statement that we can copy the files or folders in different location. This is true. Okay. Shortcuts are the convenient way to open any file without going to the actual location. This is also true. Stepwise instructions do not help in performing any activity. False. Because with the stepwise instructions procedure, you can perform any activity with ease and quickly. Backstage view shows the set of commands used to manage a presentation. This I have already told you. जो backstage होती है, it really shows the set of commands used to manage a presentation. So this is also true. This means true. Okay. Web page is not an electronic page of a website. This is false. It is a electronic page of a website. Okay. Now next is look at the following layouts, find and write their correct names. This you already know. You know, this is whenever you open the PPT presentation, then what you see, so many options, so many layouts. So what are their names going to be? This is section header. This is what I sorry, this is section header. I'm sorry, confused. These are the different layouts. Okay, this is known as section header. Okay, and what it is called, this is known as title. Here you put the title and here you put the content. So this is title and content. Okay, these are the third layout. This is the third layout. In this third layout, this is known as content with caption. Content with caption. And what it is known as, it is known as comparison. No, it is not known as comparison. It is known as to content, where two contents you are going to put. To content. So if you like my way of teaching style, please like, share and subscribe. I will put more questions. Okay, subscribers बढ़ने से ही ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मेरे subscribers बढ़ेंगे तो मेरा channel hit है. It's okay. It's a kind of bargaining, but ठीक है. आपको अगर क्वेश्चंस अच्छे लग रहे हैं, कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है, सो यू कैन गो फॉर इट. थैंक यू.